Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kama wewe ni mgeni, if it's the first time you are tuning in, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to this video, okay? So, my message of the day is, once you are disconnected from God, you are dead. Okay, let me give you an example. Kuna fish, there are fish and water. If you remove fish from the water, that fish has no life. But water will remain to be water, no matter what. Kama uko na mti, now you plug it from the land, that tree will not have life, but the land will still be land, okay? Are we together? And if you yourself disconnect yourself from God, you are dead, trust me, but God will remain to be God. So that's why I'm telling you, you will be dead spiritually, physically. So, if you disconnect yourself from God today, you are dead spiritually. And there's no eternal life for you. Okay? So, just keep trying to be in God's path, live precious life. Be you. Trust in God. God is wonderful, mighty creator, okay? He has love, unending love for us. And true riches are stored in heaven. I remember when Bob Marley said, don't gain the world and lose your soul. And wisdom is better than wisdom is better than silver and gold. So be wise when you are choosing. Be wise when you are choosing. Okay? Always trust in God in everything that you do. And He will take you to your desired place. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video.
So be wise.
See you in the next video.